Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at Delhi Machine Tool Expo and I am standing in front of KELKAR Dynamic stall with my friend Rohan, and he is going to tell us interesting journey of KELKAR Dynamics. Thank you, Rohan.
Hi, Ashutosh. We are glad that you're here. So we started as a CNC engraving manufacturing company back in '88, and in 2016 we launched our first small 5-axis desktop milling machine for the dental industry. And since then we sold a lot of machines in dental, and now we are trying to move in the general engineering space with our new 5-axis CNC machine for making small complex parts. So our idea here is to target industries like medical and jewelry, where complex machining is required for small parts. So this machine can make parts, let's say, in the size of 70 mm by 70 mm by 70 mm, and we are generally looking for such parts. So you can make rings, you can make bangles, you can make any kind of small medical implants like cervical cages or endo buttons or even biopsy forceps. We can also machine titanium and stainless very efficiently in this machine. So that's the idea, and we hope to move forward in this direction.
Fantastic. So I can see this is a patented product from your side, right? So when did you launch this machine?
So we are launching this machine in DMTX 2023, and we filed the patent approximately in 2013. The idea here is that the design of the patent is such that we are able to isolate the dust which is created while machining, and the machining will happen inside a small chamber. So whenever the dust will be created while machining, the dust will accumulate right in the chamber and it will not fly and get into the mechanical and the electronics of the machine. So the idea is to target markets where dust collection is very, very important, such as graphite machining, gold machining, zirconium oxide machining, ceramic machining. So the patent essentially helps us to firstly bring down the size of the machine and create a great isolation between the mechanical and electronics of the machine and the machining area. So that's the advantage of the patent. And using this patent, we are focused on small complex parts, as I said earlier.
Fantastic. So are you also looking for channel partners for this particular machine?
Yes, exactly. So effectively, we want to work with organizations to partner and scale this product. Although today we are selling directly in the industry, but moving forward, our vision to scale this company would be to partner with larger companies in order to take this product all over the world. So we are through your platform, we would like to reach out to the audience and send the message of, we are open to partnerships, we are open to talking regarding taking this machine forward. So I hope we get good inquiries through your video.
Definitely, I think millions of people must be watching you right now, and this is a good platform to tell people about your company. And I'm sure that many more inquiries will come, and many more prospect channel partners will approach you for sure. And I think your machines are already very popular in this DMTX, and a lot of people are coming here and looking at this machine. So I'll not take much of your time. I'll thank you and thank you for your time. Wish you all the best.